Gerhardt. We are interviewing Mr. Bill Landon today, and you did give us permission to film this, correct?
I sure did.
So, we had the privilege of interviewing your wife Sharon last week.
Right.
So, tell us what happened, Bill. A little while ago, you guys were in an accident at the airport, correct?
We were in an accident at the airport. We were driving about 15 miles an hour, and I drive an old 1988 Toyota Land Cruiser that doesn't have any crumple zones. So you think going 15 miles an hour and getting hit wouldn't be a big deal, but we were hit by one of the people transports at the parking lot in the side, so T-bone basically, and really didn't do much damage to my vehicle or to the other vehicle, but for me, I didn't think it would be serious overall. So we didn't think that much about it, honestly, right at the start. The police came and they asked typical questions, you injured, things like that, and we said no.
Sure. So then you came to the office, told me about it, and I said, well, let's just take an exam. And I said, a lot of times when these accidents happen, you don't notice pain for the first day or so, but after a few days, did you start to notice some symptoms?
Yeah, I sure did. After a few days, I started getting very sore, generally in my neck. And fortunately, I was looking straight ahead as the accident happened. But I guess I don't know if the correct term is whiplash, but I'm fairly sure that that's what I had. And it ended up being much more severe than I thought originally. Because
So-
no pain, and all of a sudden, whammo! I got a bunch of pain.
So a minor little impact caused
Yep.
some pretty significant problems for you.
It did.
So we started into a care plan here at the office. How long did it take us to fix it?
It was several months.
Yeah.
Several months of treatment coming in multiple times a week, and then also that was combined with massage, which you recommended, but it was the chiropractic care which I think was able to get us back on track with our health and help us overcome pain.
So typically with minor accidents, I tell people it's going to be anywhere from a 1 to a 3 month treatment plan.
Mhm.
The more severe the injury is, the longer it takes.
Yeah.
So over that time period, those couple months that we were treating you, did we help?
Absolutely, you helped. Originally, when the pain began to present within the first week, I guess at the end of the first week after the accident, I wasn't able to do farm work. I was having difficulty actually sitting at my desk in order to do the writing, which is required for my job, which I think actually affected my ability to think clearly.
Sure.
But then, really at the end of the first month, I thought things are getting much better. But then we continued in treatment month 2, and I think by the end of month 3, I was like, this felt like a miraculous recovery, actually.
Yep. So we went through the treatment plan as we expected it.
We did.
Came out on the other side, things were doing well. Now you just come down periodically for some maintenance adjustments.
Yes.
So overall, were you happy with the care that we gave?
Oh, absolutely, doctor. We recommend you and the treatment that we received here to everybody who we come into contact with, especially when they say, oh, my back hurts, something like that. We put them in touch with you.
Well, great. We appreciate that, and I appreciate you giving us the trust to help care for you and your wife.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Thank you for helping us.